You've heard it all before. Lose all your belly fat in 3 days with this drink. This one food melts belly fat overnight. Eat this before bed and burn fat while you sleep. In my last video, even AI said we were going to reset your gut in 7 days. Slow down, AI. We're not here to lie just to get clicks. If you've spent years on keto, fasting too often, or eating the same foods over and over, 7 days won't fix it. This isn't about quick results. It's about finally doing what works with your body, not against it. Your metabolism, your gut, and your healing all take time. But I'll show you how to start, with tools that reduce harmful bacteria, not just in your gut, but throughout your whole body. Your gut is home to over 100 trillion bacteria. Some of them help you digest food, absorb nutrients, and control cravings. But when the balance is off, inflammation takes over. And that inflammation blocks fat burning, messes with your hormones, and leaves you bloated, tired, and stuck. It's not your fault, and it's not about willpower. This is biology, and you can heal it. So I'm inviting you to start a 7-day reset. Not because it will solve everything in a week, but because it might be your first step toward finally feeling better. Let's start by removing what's constantly triggering inflammation. Processed sugar, artificial sweeteners, vegetable oils like canola, soybean, white flour, and refined carbs, alcohol, packaged snacks, and ultra-processed foods. Any food that consistently makes you bloated or gassy. This isn't about restriction. It's about clearing the noise so your body can get back to balance. This isn't a cleanse. It's not a detox. It's not a punishment. It's food. Real food. And it's a reset that supports your gut, your hormones, and your healing. Here's what to focus on every day during the 7-day reset. Warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Eat only real, whole foods. Cook with olive oil, coconut oil, or grass-fed butter. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. No probiotics, pills, or powders. Just food, sunlight, or sauna. 30 minutes of natural sunlight. I can't stress the importance of sun and ditch the sunscreen. Or 10 to 15 minutes in a sauna or steam room. Gentle movement. 30-minute walk or 30 minutes. You're not forcing your body to burn fat. You're creating the conditions where it wants to. The full 7-day reset menu is listed for you in the pinned comment and description. Feel free to screenshot or save it. Here's something most people miss. Bad bacteria don't just live in your gut. They can overgrow in your skin, mouth, sinuses, bloodstream, even your brain. Stress, poor sleep, repetitive diets, lack of movement, it all adds up. That's why body-wide support is key. Use these 3 tools daily to bring that bacterial load down. Sunlight boosts vitamin D, lowers cortisol, supports the gut-brain connection. Saunas mimic fever to kill off pathogens, relieve tension, improve circulation. Sweating clears waste through the skin, supports your liver, and activates healing. You don't need to do all 3 every day. Just start using what your body was designed to use. If you finish the 7 days, don't just stop. Ask yourself, am I less bloated? Is my energy more stable? Are my cravings quieter? Those aren't small wins. They're huge. They're signs your body is responding. Healing takes time. You didn't get here in a week. You won't heal in 1 either. Even doing this 4 or 5 days a week can change your entire trajectory. Because this isn't about perfection. It's about showing up for your body every day. This is Jennifer, and this is Keto and Fasting. Been there, done that. See you in the next one where we talk about how your gut and hormones are connected, and why fixing one helps you fix the other.